Next will be the lips. So first I'm gonna remove the lip balm. Yeah. And what I'm gonna use, I have 3 options. This is the lip gloss. This is the Super Stay and a 118 Dancer. And this is the Vinyl Ink in Wicked. So I don't know if I'm gonna mix these two together or these two together. I'll give them a try. But first, this is the base that I'm gonna use. So take a press again. Lip. Let's do the lip combo. So I have a swatch. Oh god. I love it. It's perfect. I guess I'm gonna go with this. Gonna shake it nicely. I'm gonna leave this dry a bit. Okay. I love this makeup. I love this makeup. It's not only for the 4th of July, but also it can go with anything. That add a little bit of depth to the color because it's a little bit darker. It's just one shade darker. And yeah, let's try this one over. I don't know how it's gonna look. The center. Yeah. It has a sparkle, like a little sparkles. So add it to the center to add this glossy effect. It's just like beautiful.